Meteorology in Victoria has issued a severe weather warning for damaging winds for the southwest, parts of the central east Gippsland, northeast and west, including South Gippsland forecast districts. Hot and windy conditions Monday. A cold front associated trough will again cross the state Monday. Stronger gusty northerly winds will shift squally a southwest to southerly following the change. Damaging winds averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour with peak gusts of 90 to 100 kilometres an hour forecast to develop over the southwest Victoria Monday morning, spreading to the central district around midday. Also over the alpine areas above the 1200 metres in the east during Monday afternoon and evening. Winds will then ease around an hour after the cooler southwest to southerly change moves through. Isolated thunderstorms over remaining districts, mainly with and following the change, also have the potential of producing wind gusts of 100 kilometres an hour, which could lead to localised dust storms. Locations which may be affected include Hamilton, Warrnambool, Portland, Ballarat, Geelong and Bacchus Marsh. On the screen is a look at the Himawari 8 satellite imagery, and I particularly note the Northern Territory Western Australian border. However, what's the Bureau saying? Read the tropical cyclone outlook. Whilst there are no significant tropical lows in the region, a broad weak trough is expected to develop over the Arafura Sea early this week. That's for the northern region, including the Gulf of Carpentaria. For the western region, there are no significant lows in the western region at present. However, a broad trough is expected to form over the waters north of Western Australia next week, and there's a chance of a tropical low developing in the trough later in the week. Bureau Meteorology updates this every 24 hours, but for the Indian Ocean, the Bureau in Perth, they can update any time in a 12-month period. Percentages for today, Monday or Tuesday, remain very low. Bureau Meteorology South Australia has a fire weather warning in place for the Mount Lofty ranges. Very hot, dry with north to northwesterly winds 15 to 25 knots, turning northwest to southwesterly 15 to 25 kilometres an hour this afternoon. Possible gusty afternoon thunderstorms with little rainfall. And looks like storm activity building in parts of South Australia at this point in time. There's no storm warning in place. They will have a strong wind warning in place for Monday for the Adelaide metropolitan waters, Spencer Gulf of St Vincent. Now we have a look at the precipitation from 1300 hours through to 2200 hours tomorrow. Maximum temperatures expected for the capital cities, 28 in Sydney 31, Melbourne 29, Brisbane 27, Perth 38, hot one in Adelaide, 26 in Hobart, 36 in Canberra, 35 in Darwin. Sydney currently 25.2, 26.1 Melbourne, 28.4 Brisbane, 23.6 Perth, 36.4 Adelaide, 21.7 Hobart, 34.1 Sydney, Canberra, and 33.2 in Darwin. Instability outlook for the same period. Shower 2 expected. Possible storm, Darwin. Partly cloudy, possible smoke haze again in Canberra. Partly cloudy in Hobart. Very hot, mostly sunny in Adelaide. Partly cloudy Perth. Also for Brisbane, sunny Melbourne. And morning haze, mostly sunny afternoon in Sydney. Storm probabilities. And no warnings for the Northern Territory. Capital ACT. And a strong wind warning will be in place for parts of Tasmania tomorrow. Gale warnings in place for the Albany and Esperance coasts in WA. Strong wind warning Ninghan coast, Gascoyne and Ninghan coast. However, the Bureau's cancelled one for the Pilbara coast, West Ikula coast. Supercell probabilities. Strong wind warnings in place for the Macquarie and Hunter Coast, New South Wales, and expanded one will be in place for Monday. Now we have a look at the winds at the 850 millibars level. All the information shown is extracted from the BSCH website. The information is either at the top or bottom of the screen. Finally, in this particular update, a look at the Bureau Meteorology's total forecast of rain, the rainfall scale, right hand side of the screen, and it's the top end, northwest WA coast, inland parts of WA, and hopefully later in the week, South Australia to get the rainfall.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information on Force 13 Australia, you can check us on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force13AU. You're probably there already. Good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force13, where we post our updates and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force13AU. And if you want to rock our colors, you can do so by way of our store, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of Patreon. More information can be found at patreon.com/Force13. And you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or directly to us at Aussie_weather01 at extension 6388 on Discord, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.